Hello guys, how to fix iPhone error 4013. This is a iPhone error and you can easily fix this, and the first workaround is force restart your iPhone. First press volume up button, down button and long press home button to factory reset your iPhone. In newly model of iPhone 15 or above, press and hold volume button and home button conjointly and wait until Apple logo appear on your screen. This will force restart your iPhone and try to help iPhone error 4013. The second workaround to fix this issue is unlock your iPhone, tap on settings from your iPhone home screen and here scroll down and tap on general settings. Here go to software update and if any update available, simply download and install it. Update your software, iPhone software. It will take some times and data, so wait for some times till 100% completion of updation. The next workaround to fix this issue is again go to iPhone settings, tap on general, scroll down and you will find the option transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it. Thereafter again tap on reset and choose reset all settings. Tap on it and unlock your iPhone with passcode or Face ID and finally tap on reset all settings. Your iPhone error 4013 definitely resolved. That's all.